Hello everyone, I want to talk about this BeGrit Kayak Anchor here. This is used for kayaks, paddle boards, any kind of small boats or floating devices. First of all, I wanted to show you how to put it together because you probably want to know how to use it right out of the box. So I'm going to talk about that first and then talk about my experience. This was given to me to test and review, and I did enjoy the experience. So right out of the box, you're going to have this anchor here. This is the 1.5 pound version. This is carbon galvanized metal here, so that should prevent rusting on it. And you'll see here it has this collar and the flukes. So basically you can store it like this with the flukes up and the collar over those. And then if you want to expand it to the grappling style, all you do is pull up this collar and these hooks come down, or these flukes come down. And that gives you that grappling style anchor. And then all you need to do to secure that is bring the collar down and lock it into place. So basically I'm going to turn it. And now that's locked into place, and that will stay up like that. And to collapse it, all you need to do is move that collar. And you'll see that little opening right there. You match it up with this and pull it up. Then you can bring your flukes up and then bring that collar back down, and then again just lock it so that it won't go back up. So that's how you store it. Now to use it out of the box, all you need to do is tie a knot onto this end, onto the bottom part. So you can use any type of knot. I just used a simple overhand knot, double overhand knot. So you have that nice and secure there. And then the feature that this anchor has is if it gets stuck, you can pull it off of this zip tie and get it unstuck. So I'll show you how that works. So basically you have your anchor. Everything's in place. You have your knot down here. And then you need to get yourself a zip tie or some kind of string or something to hold the rope into place at the top here. So you can see that. So if you are locked on something, so pretend my hand is like a branch or something that you can't get it off of, what you can do is reverse the line back towards the opposite way and pull as hard as you can, and that will break the zip tie. And this rope will then come back like this. You can pull from this end and get that anchor away from whatever you're stuck on. So let me say that again. If you are stuck on something and you're trying to pull it and you can't get it, what you can do is go back the other way and try and get it unstuck. And you're going to pull as hard as you can. You're going to break this zip tie here. Let me do that now so I can show you. Let's see if I can do it. It's going to be hard. So you can see how that just broke the zip tie. Now you're pulling from this end and you're able to reverse it and get it out of whatever you're stuck. So I hope that makes sense. Some other features this has is this nice orange floatable rope. It also comes with this little floatable buoy. This was nice for me because then you can kind of see where your line goes into the water. If you have dirty water or murky water, it's always nice to know where your line is going in. It also has this carabiner clip where you can loosen it and put it on your kayak or boat or paddle board. Clip it on, and then you can tighten it into place. And here I just put a clinch knot onto here. So that's not going to come out. It's going to be nice and strong. One thing I like to do is you don't want to always use all of the rope that's given to you. This is 10 meters of rope, which is about 32 feet, I believe. So once this was clipped onto the kayak, I kind of took up my slack, and then I just kind of made a quick little knot onto the side of my kayak to secure the length of rope that I wanted to use at the time. And it was nice because I was able to get to a spot where there was moving water, and I would throw the anchor in. And that kept me in a nice spot to go fishing, or also kept me from moving downstream while I was putting my lures on or changing my fishing setup. So this was a really nice anchor to use. It was very helpful, and I did really like it. Again, this is by BeGrit. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.